It is coming down outside and the sun is out. So we got some of that liquid sunshine. I don't know if y'all can see it. Let's see. Some of that liquid sunshine. It was a big old fat rain. I'm glad I got the grass cut. All right, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. This is a random video. I know this isn't Thursday, but I decided to drop an extra video this week because I have been out here sweating to death for the past couple of weeks working on the trailer here behind me. So here's a little sneak peek in this video if you want to see what I'm working on. I went ahead and picked up the, you see it? Air conditioner unit. And I'm doing some mods. I may be building it different if you've been following along than I said I was originally gonna build it. So I don't know. I'm working some stuff out. I went and picked up some more metal today. We're gonna fabricate something up really cool. But today's video isn't about the tent. It isn't about the camper. It's not even about the blue sky over here that we are still building. I got the parts in for that too. It is about what's in these boxes right here. Check it out. You see the name, New Air. They've been following along with my build and they've been seeing me weld up this cage and work on this trailer out here in my shop. And if you guys are like me and the only place you really have to work is in your garage, because this is all this is just the garage on the side of my house. When you're welding and stuff, the doors always have to be up. And they reached out, they was like, it's gotta be hot there in Alabama where you're welding. And I said, yeah, it's about 95 degrees, you know, when I've been out here welding and building on this thing. So they reached out and sent me this fan. They was like, try this out in your garage. If you like it, tell your viewers about it. So that's what I'm gonna do. That was really nice of them to reach out. As you know, if you've been following along, I've been partnered with New Air on many things, my refrigerators, the other fan that I got, all kinds of stuff from New Air. Everything they got's great. I think I just got I got an ice maker, that one in my camper. That thing's freaking awesome. It's portable ice maker. If you hadn't seen that, I'll link it right here. But yeah, so they asked me, they've been following along. They was like, it's gotta be hot with those doors open and you're welding. And they sent me this fan. Now this isn't a regular fan. This is like a tall fan that blows like mist. It's got a water tank in it. It's like super heavy duty. I'll throw up the link to it right here, but I also have it linked in the video description below. Y'all can go check it out. And if you're interested in it at the end of the video, promo code Kayak USA. It'll save you some money. I think it's like 10% or something like that. I'm not sure, but that'll also be in the video description. You can click the link, go check out the fan. Because if you're like me and you work in your garage or at home where you don't have air conditioner, because I can't air condition this. I mean, I could, but it would kind of be a waste of money. Every time I open up one of the garage doors, all of the air would just get sucked out. So this is gonna make a big difference. I have been using my little shop fan, and I know y'all have probably seen it in the background, but it's that little fan that I got down here in the corner. I mean, it does pretty good, but I looked at the reviews on this thing. This thing's gonna be sick, so. There it goes. Check that out. Can y'all see that mist? So it just pumps the water straight up. I'm gonna turn it on high. I think that's on 2. Let's see what it looks like on high. Oh my God. That is almost like standing in front of an air conditioner. So it recollects the water. The water goes back into another pipe, and that pipe feeds back into the tank. So you don't have to constantly fill this thing up with water. It's not shooting every bit of it out. All the condensation that builds up here goes back into this funnel, gets sucked back down another tube and right back down into the hold tank. And what's really cool about this is I can just roll it to the corner of the shop, or when I'm working, like when I'm welding up this trailer, I'm fixing to have a lot more welding to do when we're adding this AC unit. And I'll be able to kind of just wheel it right over to me beside the door and turn it on. And if you don't want the water on, you just turn the pump off. All right, y'all, well, that is the 26-inch outdoor misting fan by New Air. If you're interested in one of these, like I said, the link will be in the video description below. Use promo code KayakUSA, save you some money at checkout. This thing's gonna get a lot of work here, especially in the upcoming week when we're gonna be doing a lot more welding to this bad boy right here. If you're not subscribed, hit the subscribe button. Even if it's just to follow along on this camping trailer build, we're turning this Kayak camping trailer into like the ultimate hangout place. So we're gonna have a tent, AC, rod pods, kayak storage, a food place, a grill, all kind of cool stuff. So we're just fabricating this thing out, doing a lot of welding. I really appreciate it, New Air. Thanks for sending this out. It's gonna get a lot of use in the shop. And I catch you guys Thursday at 2 o'clock. Peace.